5 facts about hurricanes. Hurricanes are giant tropical storms that produce heavy rainfall and super strong winds. A tropical storm is considered a hurricane when its winds reach or exceed 74 miles per hour. The term hurricane is derived from Taino Native American word hurricane, which means the evil spirit of the wind. Hurricanes are first formed in a warm moisture atmosphere by swirling above tropical ocean water. Hurricanes are categorized into 5 types, depending upon their wind speed and their capacity to cause damage. Category 1 has a speed of 74 to 95 miles per hour. Category 2, 96 to 110 miles per hour. Category 3, 111 to 129 miles per hour. Category 4, 130 to 156 miles per hour. Category 5 is the most dangerous. Above 157 miles per hour. A Category 1 storm is the weakest hurricane with winds having speed between 74 to 95 miles per hour. Examples include Hurricane Dolly 2008, Sandy 2012, and Isaias 2020. A Category 5 hurricane is the strongest with winds greater than 155 miles per hour. Examples: Isabel, Ivan, Emily, Katrina, Rita, Wilma, Dean, and Felix. Hurricanes rotate around a circular center called the eye, where it is generally calm with no clouds. The eye of a hurricane can be anywhere from 2 miles in diameter to over 200 miles, but they are usually around 30 miles. Surrounding the eye, there is eye wall. This is the most dangerous part of the hurricane with the strongest winds, thickest clouds and heaviest rain. Hurricanes are given names by the World Meteorological Organization, WMO, so that they can be distinguished. Each year, tropical storms are named in alphabetical order according to a list produced by the WMO. That name stays with the storm, if it develops into a hurricane. The names can only be repeated after 6 years. But, if a storm is particularly destructive or deadly, the WMO will retire the name from official lists so it's never used again out of respect for the families of the storm's victims and survivors. When a name is retired, another name starting with the same letter takes its place. More than 80 names have been retired from the Atlantic Ocean's list of names since 1954. For example, the names Florence and Michael have been retired as a result of the damage they caused during the 2018 hurricane season. They will be replaced with Francine and Milton when the list is reused in 2024. Hurricanes are also called cyclones and typhoons, depending on where they occur. In the Atlantic Ocean, central North Pacific and eastern North Pacific, they are hurricanes. In the Northwest Pacific they are typhoons, and in the South Pacific and Indian Ocean they are cyclones. In the Southern Hemisphere, hurricanes rotate in a clockwise direction, and in the Northern Hemisphere they rotate in an anti-clockwise direction. This is due to the Coriolis force, produced by the Earth's rotation. Planet Jupiter has a hurricane that appears as a red dot in it, spinning since 30 years. This hurricane is bigger than the Earth itself. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.